Tired of sending emails with spelling mistake? Let me show you how to enable spell check in AOL Mail to make sure your emails are always perfect. Open AOL Mail on your browser and sign into your account. Now, here at the top left corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it and click on More Settings. In the General Settings tab, tap on Writing Email. Scroll down until you see Check Spelling Before Send and check the box next to it. Now, every time you write an email, AOL Mail will automatically check for spelling errors and highlight them. How often do you rely on spell check? Let me know in the comments. If spell check is not working, try logging out and logging back in, or try using a different browser to see if it resolves the issue. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.